Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the video about the step-by-step to learn SQL and how to do that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Pictory AI first because this is the platform that we will use to create the video. And here I will also access it with my PC to get more spacious view. And you can simply search for this Pictory AI into your Google Chrome and you will find this Pictory Create AI Generated Video. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email and you will have the 14 days of free trial, guys. How generous, thank to Pictory AI. Thank you, Pictory AI. And since we would like to create that video, here I will try to create it from transform the text or prompt into this video. And if you have prepared your own script, you can simply put it into this section. But if you haven't prepared it yet, then don't worry because this picture AI can be also have you to create the script automatically. And for example, I will type in this section the step by step to learn SQL. And after that, I will choose the platform to present this video, for example, YouTube. And the video here I might choose it to become 1 minute, between 1 minute until 5 minutes, and you can continue to generate the script and kindly wait for this picture AI to generate every single script into this section automatically here as already prepared. And you can also choose the setting here, for example the optimize, refresh, shorten, lengthen, and also change the tone. And in this section you can also choose the ratio, and since I would like to present this video into the YouTube channel, so here I will choose it to be 16 and 9, and because this ratio usually for the YouTube reel. And the estimated duration will be 1 minute and 44 seconds. And the next step you can click this generate video and kindly wait for the next section, because in the next step will be transform the every single script or the previous script to become the scene, and also it will show the picture that also represent the message in every single script itself. And kindly wait for the process. And after waiting for maybe 1 minute until 3 minutes, so the previous script has been transformed into this scene and also portray or show the picture in every single scene, guys. And you can also add the visual like the picture and also the audio if you want that this script will be narrated by this, let's say the actor of this or this narrator. And you can also add the text for the heading, subheading, and a body text like this. For example, this is the body text, and you can also move the script here and do the editing, and you can also change the text if you want to like this. And you can add the element and also the style, guys. And after you feel that the video is ready to be posted, then you can click download with or without the watermark. As you can see, if you want that the video without the watermark, so you need to upgrade it into the pro version. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Pictory AI to create your project. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.